Hey guys, welcome to Power Mining Pool live broadcast. So this is a system where you can, just want to show you guys what it is a mining the power of 7. So what they do is they pool mine 7 different cryptocurrencies. You buy shares, which is like a Bitcoin package, and then they pay you out every 3 hours and the different pools that they mine at. Or the different currencies that they mine. On top of that, they also do currency exchange, and they run an affiliate system. I'm not really bothered about the affiliate system at the moment. I'm more interested in the mining system, and what I'm going to show you is my back office, just to show you just what the site looks like. So they do alternative currency mining and currency exchange. You buy it in euros, they pay you in euros, and then you can withdraw in bitcoins. So they convert all your earnings into Bitcoin. It shows up as euros, and then you just withdraw as Bitcoin. So I'm going to show you now the opportunities, FAQs, and support. If you're interested, there's some links below this video in the comments box. If you want to get started, it's free to get started. Sign yourself up, and then get yourself logged in, which I'm going to show you now, the back office. So once you've logged in, this is what your office will look like. You won't have any, there'll be 0 here. It'll say get started. All you need to do is click on get started. It'll then take you to the shop, and then it'll show up share packages on here. It'll show like 100, and then down the bottom over here, it doesn't show up on mine because I've already done the first step. It'll say buy 1 share. Just click on buy 1, click purchase, and then just send the amount that they say, the exact amount, which will be 55 euros, and it'll show the amount in bitcoins. You'll then send that. Once it's being confirmed, it takes 6 confirmations. Your account will then become active, and then if you go onto your account, it will then say 1 share. It will say 70 euros because that's what you're going to be earning, 70 euros. The payout is every 3 hours, and it varies depending on the market. So if the market is high, you'll get paid out quicker. If the market is low, it'll take longer. They haven't given a set frame, so there's not like USI Tech where you get 140 days. There's no time frame. If the market goes up, at the moment it's going down, but if the market goes up in the next couple months, then you'll get your money back much quicker. If it goes down, it'll take a bit longer, but as you can see, so far I've earned €5.23. And I've got 1 share package for mining. If I go to my portfolio to show you, it's just a bit slow loading up. So as you can see, for me to qualify for the next level, I will need 19 packages, which I will get. So these are my earnings so far. So Ethereum is quite good. Burst is good. Ethereum is probably the best on there so far. And the currency exchange is not bad. If I go back to my account, just to show you. So I'm on affiliate at the moment because I bought 1 pack. To get to associate, I need to get 19 personal shares. So I'll buy, slowly I'll build them up to 20 personal shares. And then obviously you go to the different levels. I've got 22 people who've joined up. Only 2 people have bought shares that's my personal shares, that's my referrals. You get 10% on what people buy in. So obviously you see I've got 10 euros commission. Only 2 people have bought in, but that's up to them if they want to. They don't have to. So if you guys are interested, then click on the link below, and we can do this as a team. And I will, once I start getting built up enough, what I will do when I get to Pearl or Jade, what I'm going to do is for people that are in my team, I will actively buy them. I will probably do, once I get to enough people, what I'll do is I'll do like a sort of giveaway, and I will give people 1 share each. I will do 5 shares. So 5 people, I'll do a random raffle, and I'll take the 5 people that get picked out of it. I'll buy them each a share to get them active. If they're active already, that's fine. They will get an extra share to add to their system. So that's for you guys to choose if you want. It's up to you. This is what I'm doing at the moment, and it's working. I haven't had any issues with them. It's a good system. They've got some good marketing resources. There's a good compensation plan. You got your order history. So if I click on that, you can see that's when I ordered my share. It cost 50 euros. It's 55 euros initially, and then it's 50 afterwards. They got on. If you go onto settings, you'll have an automatic rebuy, but you can take it off. But I'm going to leave it on. So when I get to 50 euros, it will automatically buy me another share. Or I can go to the shop and I can buy shares. So just check on maximum amount of shares. Buy shares using account balance and external funds. So you can buy. So I can use that price and external funds, which is good. And then you can also buy using your account balance. So you can use your account balance and you can use external and account balance. So it gives you two options to buy. You don't just have to buy externally. You can use internal profits as well, which is good. I like that. And then you got transactions. These are the different transactions. So it shows you every 3 hours your transactions, which I think is good. I like that. And they got some good fake and support, good support tickets, help desks, different options. They've got news, marketing resources, so you can, these are good banners you can use, or there's some email copies that you can use as well. So everything is in there for you. If you guys are interested in getting started, it's free to get started, and then it's free to sign up, sorry, and then to get your first pack, you just have to pay 55 euros. It's not a lot to get started, and then you just leave it. There's nothing more for you to do. If you want to share it, share what you're doing. What I'm going to do is let it run, and I think in the end of this month, I'm going to buy 2 to make it go up to 3 active shares. Maybe by then, this will have got up enough that I can buy internally. But yeah, I'm going to try and get up to 19 shares. I want to get right up to president if I can, but it's going to take a while. But this is a long-term plan for me. It's not a short-term plan. So if you guys are interested, just click on the links below this video. And if you need any help, drop me a comment and I'll try and help you guys out. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can always go to Fake and Support. They've got good support and help you guys out. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's short and sweet. It's just about what I'm doing. And I actively like this power mining pool. It's doing really well for me so far. And yeah, if you guys are interested, just click on the link below this video, get yourself signed up, and actively get yourself a share so you can start earning yourself. And yeah, have a good day. Chat soon. Thanks. Take care. Bye.